In today's rapidly changing data landscape, businesses are confronted with the challenge of adopting more scalable, flexible, and cost-effective data integration solutions. If you're still relying on SAP Data Services for your ETL workflows, it's time to consider a transformative shift to Azure Data Factory. Imagine a platform where your data pipelines grow seamlessly with your business, offering near unlimited scalability. Azure's cloud-based infrastructure ensures your data integration can expand effortlessly as your needs evolve. Cost concerns? With Azure Data Factory, you benefit from a pay-as-you-go pricing model, ensuring you only pay for what you use, significantly reducing costs by eliminating expensive on-premises infrastructure. But the advantages don't stop there. Azure Data Factory integrates smoothly with other Azure services like Azure Synapse Analytics and Power BI, empowering your analytics and reporting capabilities with cutting-edge tools. And let's not forget about future-proofing. Azure's continuously expanding ecosystem is designed for tomorrow's challenges, keeping you ahead of the curve with regular updates and innovations. The limitations of SAP Data Services no longer need to hold you back. By migrating to Azure Data Factory, you unlock the future of data integration, paving the way for enhanced efficiency and innovation. Are you ready to elevate your ETL processes? Let's connect and explore how Azure Data Factory can transform your data integration journey today. Embrace the future of data integration with confidence.